friends, hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Creative. Friends, you all know that I upload the token video on my YouTube channel and I upload the video on different project and different topic. So today we talk about the new project. This project is very good and trustable. This is very trusted website. If you invest in this, you will get the benefit in the future. If you want to increase your value, money double triple, you will definitely invest in this token. So start the video. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel Crypto Creative and click the bell icon. So I give the link in my description. You just simply click the link and you can see the interface. You can see that interface and you get the information about this new project. We are discuss all the information about this project in this video, so don't skip the video. Let's start. First of all, you see this. Welcome to Barter Miners. This is the new project name. You can log in and register in this project easily. Then you sign up you as an answer with your personal detail, deposit and invest into the money company wallet and invest on a plan that suits you. Get profit and started on your hour plans. Your account will be created automatically. Withdraw, you can withdraw anytime. Just withdraw and wait for processing. Then you see the BTC value. Then move forward, strong security protection, again DDoS attack, full data encryption, vault coverage, payment options, mobile app, cost efficiency, high liquidity, fast access to high liquidity order book for top currency pairs. We are certified. You see that this Better are certified. Better Miners is a certified investment company in UK. It is certified by Company House UK. It's verified. Our awesome pancake. Light silver 24 horse 20% 0 time 24 horse return for 0 time 20% reach time minimum maximum per time total return यहाँ पे आपको शो हो रही है, आप देख सकते हैं. LT gold 4 days 60%, then LT diamond, LT platinum and then move forward. So friend, go and registration now. Open account for free and start journey to financial freedom. Friends, if you want to earn on net, there are many ways, but you can invest in them. You can get more benefit in the future. So you can, if you want to earn on net, you can invest them. So you can invest in this project, you will get the benefits in the future. So don't waste time and go and follow them. Facebook, Twitter, go and follow them there. Facebook, Twitter, you can get all the information and updates about this project. So friends, go and follow them and invest your money in this project. You will get the benefit. Simply I talk about this about us, so you can see this page. So you can see the page. I will show you. We are Bettermines. Bettermine is a trusted and faster crypto in company helping millions across the globe have safe way to invest their crypto. Our customers should own their financial future. Empower them to be your own our bank. Then you see our company help and support. Contact us. So friends, I talk about the new token. I talk about all the information about this. I gave the link in my description. You can just click the link and you just open this interface. You can easily get the all information about it. I just talk about the review of this project. So guys, go and follow them in their Twitter and Telegram account. So you can join their Telegram account. You can get all the updates about this project. So go and follow them in their Twitter and Telegram account. Join Telegram account and get more benefits in their future. Invest their project. I'm sure you can get the benefit in their future. So like and comment my video. If you like my video, then you share your friend because you can invest there this project.